This is Blake with Tobin Restoration. As we've been experiencing some pretty crazy weather here in eastern Idaho with the really warm and the really cold, it's been a perfect atmosphere for some ice dams. Ice dams can be a very devastating thing to your home. It can cause some significant damages inside the walls of your exterior walls. Here at Tobin Restoration, we have some cool tools that we could use to take your ice dam off and help you with any damages inside. Because if you have an ice dam, 99% chance you have some damages inside. So call us today. We'd love to help you out.